join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
3 ducks in a bathtub, full long rhyme. Rub-a-dub-dub. 3 ducks in a tub, splashing with giggles and cheer. Warm water swirls, soap bubbles twirl. Bath time fun is here. The first duck quacked, let's start to wave. He kicked his feet so brave. Water jumped high and splashed the rim, making bubbles dance with him. The second duck laughed, let's make it rain. He tapped the water again and again. Tiny drops flew left and right, shining softly in the light. The third duck said, I'll spin around, creating ripples across the ground. He twirled so fast he shook the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub-dub-dub-dub-dub. They grabbed toy boats that sailed along, humming a happy little song. The boats went drifting side to side on their soapy bubble ride. Duck 1 made towers out of foam, tall as a castle in their bath home. Duck 2 shaped bubbles like a crown, placing it gently without a frown. Duck 3 blew bubbles in the air, they floated softly everywhere. Some went high, some stayed low, drifting in the warm bath glow. When the bubbles burst with a gentle pop, the ducks cheered loud without a stop. They paddled more with splishy feet. Bath time fun is hard to beat. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 ducks in a tub, shiny, clean and bright. They snuggled up in towels warm, then waddled off for the night. Tie-da-dub-dub.